Morning guys, it's 11:30. I'm having an early lunch. I've got seafood ramen, fish balls and lettuce in there. How was your morning? Have you had breakfast? Oh, I'm still a bit bunged up. I don't know if this is long COVID or just a long cold. Every time I put lettuce in my noodles, I always think, oh, why didn't I put more in? Little fish ball. Fish balls are the best in soup noodles. Soupy noodle. Guys, it is hot. Let's get some soup. I don't think I put enough soup in, guys. I didn't want it too watery, but in that process I removed too much water. Guys, I'm gonna do a part 2. I'll see you over there. Peace.